What's up, YouTube? So for those paying close attention, I just went over 500 subscribers on this channel. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did in order to grow this channel from 0 to 507 subscribers right now, and it's going to keep growing and keep getting bigger. And we're starting right after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is ridiculous already. Every single day he complains about crap, and he never bothers to look at my reviews. Of course you're going to complain. Crazy guy. Never bothers to look. Anyhow, I also do a lot of videos on entrepreneurship kind of stuff.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you so much, Liz Lemon. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? I love Liz Lemon. She says it every day. She's such a sweetheart. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. Okay, so I'm going to tell you 3 things that I did in order to help my channel grow. Now, this particular niche doesn't lend itself to fast growth. That's just the fact of the matter. The fact of the matter is, like you see channels that blow up. Like, for example, I'm a big fan of Tim Pool. He's a good guy. He's does commentary stuff, and his channels have blown up. He's got 300,000 subscribers or something. But the thing is that Tim Pool is doing politics, and politics is popular. People like to talk about it. They like to get riled up, whatever. That's not going to happen here, because the make money online niche is not quite that big, even though everybody, of course, wants to make money, because the fact that there are a lot of scammers in the industry, people who aren't honest, who play games. There's a lot of people who think, oh, make money online, oh, that's a scam. Now, first of all, by the way, not related to this particular video, I can tell you it is absolutely not a scam. I am living proof of the fact that it does work. You can make a full-time living online. I am currently making a full-time living online by doing affiliate marketing, by doing product launches. I do it. I know other people who do it. But it is the thing that a lot of people won't tell you is that you have to put in a ton of work. You're going to put in a ton of work ahead of time in order to build it up. But anyway, that's not really what this video is about. What I want to talk to you about is how I grew the channel up to over 500 subscribers within a few months. The channel started back in October of 2018. It's currently June, so what is that? November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 8 months. In 8 months, I grew from 0 to over 500 subscribers. And really and truthfully, the bulk of this came from the past 2 months or so. Because about 2 or 3 months ago, I was at 87 subscribers, and I'm currently at 507. So the bulk came within the past few months. I'm going to share with you what I did in order to make the channel grow. So the first thing is something that I see a lot of people talk about, and it's as much as it seems obvious, it bears talking about. Number 1, be consistent. Get content up every single day. And I want you to think about this. Think about your favorite TV show. Okay, for example, I really, really enjoy Billions. On Showtime. It's one of my favorite shows. Yes, I'm obsessed with money. It's okay, whatever, but I like Billions, and when the season is running, I know that every Sunday or Monday night, I forget now because that season's already done with, but like every Sunday or Monday night, I knew to expect to see billions available on my TV. And I could look forward to it. I could watch it and enjoy it. And your viewers are pretty much the same way here on YouTube. If you give them, if somebody finds you and they like you and they enjoy watching your stuff, you want to give them what they want. You want to give them more of what they want. And so if you're consistent, if people know Monday through Friday, Monday through Thursday, whatever it is, I know I can find Eric's videos, then they're more likely to come back. And I'm guilty of not being consistent. I admit that. It's really, really tough to pump out videos 5 days a week. Tim Pool, by the way, one of my favorites, pumps out, I think, 4 or 5 videos a day. Although, honestly, I'm getting kind of tired of it because he's basically all he does is rant on these days about how YouTube is purging channels, which I am well aware of. I actually did a video on the Vox Adpocalypse thing. I'll go ahead and put a card up here to that video, but whatever. Anyhow, but the consistency thing is so vitally important to actually get to really grow on YouTube. Because if people don't see your stuff regularly, then they're just going to look for something else. You know, like with me, Billions is off the air right now, and so I'm watching reruns of Castle when I feel like watching TV. I don't watch all that much TV, by the way. That's just another thing, not to do with growing your channel. It has to do with entrepreneurship. TV, I watch occasionally. Most of the time, though, I just have some YouTube video playing in the background while I'm working, just for like background noise. It's not really the sort of thing that makes you, become rich, basically.
Can't live without TV. Must see TV.
Yeah, okay. You know, you can watch TV all you like, you know, and waste your time. I'm not into that sort of thing. Anyhow, so that was number 1. Number 2 is to make your videos entertaining. You notice that I have these little clips that I do. I go back and forth and I interact with them. There's a reason why I do it. It's not just because, you know, I want to do it. It's actually a lot more work for me to do it because I have to remember to interact with these little clips. I have to actually go and find the clips, know where they have to go in. I have to do a heavy amount of editing every time I do a video. It's not like I can just sit here, record the video, and hit upload. I do a tremendous amount of editing every time I do a video. It takes me quite a long time to do it. But I think that the clips make it much more interesting to watch.
I love to watch a professional at work, don't you?
Yes, it is very interesting, isn't it? I know. That's, you know, yeah. Just like that. Anyway, so keep your videos interesting. Keep it on topic, of course, which I am guilty in this video of kind of going off topic, although I know most of the people who watch my videos are people who are interested in making money online. So I kind of like threw in a little bit of here and there. And by the way, getting a quality YouTube channel going is well worth it because ultimately it's going to build your brand up. It's going to make more money for you. So basically, keep your videos interesting. Think about what you would want to watch on a daily basis and then kind of reverse engineer that. If you wouldn't want to watch your videos, then probably other people don't want to watch them either. So kind of try to be consistent about thinking about something that would be interesting for your viewers to actually want to watch. Okay, and number 3, this is vitally important, is the thumbnails. Okay, seriously, thumbnails are really important, and I've gone through a couple of iterations of my thumbnails. If you look back, I think some of my videos still have the old thumbnails on them. I should get around to changing them, but I just haven't bothered because I'm busy pumping out new videos constantly. Thumbnails are super, super, super important because that's what gets people to click. And you need to have quality thumbnails. You can go to canva.com, use that to create the thumbnails. It's really not that hard to do, but you have to make good quality thumbnails with stuff that's actually readable, that people are going to enjoy looking at, and it's going to get people to click on it. It's super important. If you don't have a good thumbnail, then you're just not going to get people to click. It's really that simple. people don't want to do it. People aren't interested, and it's just not going to happen. So go ahead and make sure you have quality thumbnails.
Now you're all thumbs.
No, not all thumbs, thumbnails. Geez, some people. Anyhow, so I hope you liked this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Help me grow to 1,000 subscribers, and then 10,000, then 100,000. Well, we'll see. And I will see you on the next video. Coming tomorrow, by the way, there's going to be a really cool thing coming out that I am super, super excited about. It's called IG Money Tree, and I am loving this thing. I'm actually just about, after I finish this video, to record another video, so that one is going to be available for tomorrow, so you guys can see it for tomorrow to go and pick it up, because it's going to be an amazing thing, and I've got one heck of a bonus coming out for you guys. So I will see you all on that video tomorrow. I believe it's going to be at 10 a.m. tomorrow Eastern Time.